Hi, I'm going to tell you how to use the carers.org discussion boards so you can get in touch with other carers and perhaps get a bit of support. So firstly, go to our website, move your mouse over Carers Chat and click on Discussion Boards. So the discussion boards are divided into 4 sections: I Care For, to talk about your caring, Hints and Tips, to share any tips or advice you might have, the Soapbox, where you can rant about anything at all, and Carefree, which is everything else. So we're going to have a look in Carefree. As you can see, all sorts of different things been talked about here, and here's a thread full of jokes. Let's click on that title, and here we are. So this is what's called a thread. Somebody's written something, other people have added more, jokes in this case, and the conversation's developed one after the other. And in this case there are so many messages, we can click on Next to go on to the next page, and read all through them that way. So then again, click back number 1 to go on to page 1. Now if you see something on the boards that you don't think should be there, you can always click this red flag to report it to the online support team. So you choose one of these reasons if one seems appropriate, type in anything you want us to know about just there, and finally click the submit button at the bottom. Now we do check every message on the discussion boards anyway, but that's there if you want to use it. But if you want to write something, you do need to be logged into your account, and if you're wondering how, just have a look at our first video. So when you've done that, you click on the big yellow New Topic button. Quite straightforward. Type in a subject you want for your message and put the message in here. So I've written my message there, only quite a short one, and down here we've got a range of smiley faces. All sorts of different ones to choose from. Whichever one you click will be inserted in. But it'll just be a code like this. Don't worry, that'll be replaced with the smiley face when it appears on the website. I'm going to choose that wink. Now down here, if I wanted to add a picture, I could choose the file from my computer and then click Add File to upload it to the website. Let's not bother for now. And I can click Preview just to check that it's going to look as I want it to on the website. So let's do that up here. There we go, there's my message. There's the winking face, that's come out fine. That's the title I chose. That's all looking good. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and click Submit. There we go, the message has been posted successfully. But what about if I want to join in a conversation that's already going? Well, that's easy as well. Let's go back to this joke thread, read through as you were before, and all you do right at the bottom is click this reply button. So you'll find the subject already filled in. Type your message to add to it. Let's choose another smiley face. Scroll down and you'll see here is a list of all the messages already there, so you can refer to them while you're composing your message if you want to. Click Submit. And there it goes. But finally, if you want to refer to a specific message when you're replying, not just to the whole thread, you can click the yellow quote button. Now that will copy the message into yours. So here we go, this is the message I quoted. It's quite a long one, so I'm going to delete a bit of it. So that's just a little quoted bit there. I can add my comment underneath. You can tell I used to be a youth worker. I'm going to choose another face there. Click Submit. There it goes, submitted successfully. Let's go back and have a look at how that turned out. So that's me there. This is the bit I quoted from someone else's message, and that's the bit I added at the bottom. Now it doesn't look quite perfect. I do need to change it slightly. So since I wrote the post, I've got this yellow edit button. I can go back and change it. Just needs a little fine tuning just to be a work of literary genius. There we go. Look at that. Perfect. Submitted that. And there we go. It's updated. But I know what you're thinking, it just needs one little extra thing to make it perfect, and that's deleting completely. This little yellow X button, click on that. Are you sure you want to delete this post? Yes. There we go, deleted successfully. So, that's everything you need to know to get started. Hope you have fun on the boards.